So, Ken, you're in a surprisingly good mood.
Hey, why wouldn't I be? I've got everything. Good looks, designer clothes, and a dream house. Oh, and Barbie and I have a new film coming out. I'm winning!
I guess you haven't heard about Barbie.
She's not been caught skinny dipping on Venice Beach again, has she?
No, Ken. This is far more serious.
She's been wearing that pink velour tracksuit with the marabou trim?
Where do you think Barbie was last weekend?
She was on a shoot in some rainforest?
Shooting what, Ken?
I don't know. She's always out on shoots.
Look at these, Ken.
Orangutans! Oh, they're so cute and fluffy
And the tigers?
Oh, that's not nice.
Did you ever think of Barbie as a serial killer?
That's not Barbie. That isn't her.
Look, Ken. That's a lot of rainforest being hacked down just so she can wrap herself in cheaper packaging.
But...
Where do you think all that extra money came from for those chest waxes, Ken?
Oh, it's over! That